Jai Gurudev, Hope 18 viewers, welcome. This is on the solar eclipse, Surya Grahanam in Tamil. Many people have different opinions, but the ancient science tells us that during an eclipse, it is the conjunction of the sun, which is a star, and the moon and the earth coming in a straight line. Therefore, the metabolism in your body will be more. See, in science, we have four forces, which we say as the magnetism, electromagnetism, then you have a weak interaction, then you have a grand unification, and the super grand unification. So normally, we know that the earth has a gravity, so does the moon, and so does the sun. Now, I'm not going more into the physics or the astronomy part, but we know that the rotation that happens is because the centrifugal and the centripetal forces are equal and opposite, and therefore the body continues to rotate, which means when this conjunction takes place, that is the earth, the moon comes in between with the sun, the three are in a straight line, therefore the gravitational pulls are at its peak. So in the solar eclipse, this solar eclipse, which is prevalent over India and falls on the Mrigasesha Nakshatra, I will not go into astrology, but to be on the safer side, stay indoors and avoid any high metabolism activity. For example, the food, we say the food has to be digested. Avoid eating during that time. Well, the choice is yours, but if you are able to reduce the body metabolism, particularly digestion or any other external activity like walking or going out, then the effect of this pull is minimal, if not nil. Last but not the least, the psychology. I will show you a clip also, or rather a picture of how the 27 nakshatras and how the 9 planets have an influence on the brain. These gravitational pulls also have an effect on your consciousness, the thought process. So during this solar eclipse, it is better to keep sublime thoughts. It is better to meditate. You can do breathing, or if you know a mantra, you can chant a mantra. For those who want to go one step ahead, you are welcome to chant the Surya Gayatri mantra. And those who would like to extend further, you can go for the Surya Grahan Parihara mantra. It is available on the tube. And these are extra steps. But my point is, maintain lesser metabolism activity in the body. Okay, don't give any new activity to the body. And the very best thing that you can do is to keep the mind sublime. And one way to keep the mind sublime is to do Nama Japa. Jabam, you can do Jabam, or you can chant the mantra. This way, any malefic effects from the solar eclipse is minimized, if not it is sidestepped. So viewers, it is your choice, but it is highly my recommendation that you follow, since we are moving into a high lifestyle, which is not only yogic, but the high-end lifestyle. Live life king size, stay at home, be safe. And of course, if those who are interested in watching the solar eclipse, it is available on the tube. You can do that. Just avoid watching it, because we know what usually happens in that. So I think the message is loud and clear. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Jai Gurudev.